Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Motion Ninja. You click on settings, then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Motion Ninja and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.